In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this alien creature in 4 minutes. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button, E to extrude, A, V, and A to smooth the curve. Let's bevel the curve. In edit mode, let's select the last curve point, and press Alt+S to resize the bevel. As usual, let's add the array modifier, and an empty object to rotate array the curve. In edit mode, let's select a curve point. Type G and Y to move the curve point in the Y axis. Let's add a UV sphere. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. S to scale. C to use the Circle Select tool. The idea is to extrude the iris part of the eye mesh inward and apply a unique material for that region. We'll need to add 3 materials. One for the outer shell, one for the eye, and the last one for the iris. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Ctrl R to place a loop cut. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.